Hi, I'm Tim Carter of Stain Solver. I know what you're wondering. Will Stain Solver clean this or that around or outside my home? Well, guess what? Take a look at just a few of the hundreds of things that Stain Solver will clean, and then I'm going to tell you how easy it is to do. Those were amazing, weren't they? There are hundreds of things around your house Stain Solver will clean. If it's water washable, if you can get water on the item, then you can clean it with Stain Solver. Here's all you have to do. You just mix up the solution and you either spray it on, you pour it on, or you soak the item in the solution. Let it work for 15, 20, 30 minutes, making sure you keep it wet with the solution. Scrub a little bit after it's done, rinse, and you're finished. It's that simple. If you have any questions, come to the stainsolver.com website, use the contact page, and ask us.